Hi friends, it's Shanna, Shop Glorious Day. I'm here at Brimfield at the July show. Thursday, just about high noon here, bright sunshine, and I am in the Hertan's fields, which to me, I've always sort of described as like a campground feeling field amidst the trees and the breeze. But I had found artisan David, scrapped and found via Instagram, and had to find out where he was, kind of scoped him out yesterday and knew I had to bring you back to meet him and see his art up close. You'll be captivated and charmed just like I was. And so let's go meet David and have him tell us a little bit more about his business, Scrapped and Found. So here we are, that's actually Route 20 there. So if you're coming in, Pilgrim Sandwich would be sort of there on Route 20. Come in the corner of the field. And here he is here, Scrapped and Found. And just look, we'll give you a little view as we wander back. Meandering back to David. Gosh. I'm totally captivated by your work, and I am so eager to have you share how you got started, kind of just some of the details. I'm going to just hand it over to you.
Okay. Went to vocational school to learn how to weld. Always had an artistic ability or want to do something with art, and that gave me some inspiration. And I just started. We used to do a lot of like factory cleanouts, and so you find something cool like these electrical boxes or different hardware, different screws and nails, and it's what to do with them. So we started making these robots and just spiraled out of control from there. Yeah.
I love them, yeah. So like, what is this right here?
That's a smudge pot. It was used in road construction. Like at nighttime, they would have kerosene and a wick in here, and flames would be going.
And you just kind of saw a robot. It like
yeah. The more you make these things, the more you see something different out of it.
Right, a different kind of perspective.
Yeah.
Wow. So fun. Well, let's see some of the other designs of what you've got.
Okay.
Yeah. Where should we start?
We have the shovels over here.
Yeah, these are great. Look at these.
We have the owls. You know, we use silverware and we bend this rebar, nails, and ball bearings. And we do the fish over here. The same shovels.
I hadn't even seen the fish. Those are so great.
Trowels and hose and shovels.
And so do you find like supplies like this? There are places where you can just find sort of scrap, junk?
Yeah. So locally I have a bunch of scrap guys that contact me. They know some that are bigger. And then it's going out hunting, going to yard sales, going to flea markets, you know.
Yeah, come show us these guys up front. I love the personality of these guys too.
So these are actually cylinders for welding tanks.
Yeah.
Acetylene tanks or oxygen tanks. And they have to be replaced after so long because they have like a date. And then the legs are made from the front forks of bicycles.
Oh, look at that.
And then, we just cut some square stock, we put a ball bearing for the eye, and we use the screws for fingers and toes.
Wow. And then the welding art, too, of, like, getting it to balance is...
it takes a little bit of... Sometimes you heat it up, and while it's still orange, you kind of bang it with a hammer and try to get it sit right. And
wow.
A lot of trial and error.
And they all have personalities, for sure, here. You're on the edge of naming them. Is that what I heard? Possibly.
Yeah,
no.
we have price tags that we've made with "My Name Is," and we're thinking about putting one.
I love that. Like, look at this.
Yeah.
I love them. So you sell them at shows? Or are you like online?
Mostly shows.
Yeah.
Nothing online yet. The biggest issue for us is the shipping costs are very expensive. But we'd like to at some point do something, or even get a gallery going.
Yeah. Love it. Let's go see the handlebars and then the guys on the other side too. I don't want to miss those. So look at this, something you've perhaps never seen.
This is, it was actually a friend of mine that would come to the shop and hang out, and I was taking apart some bicycles for other projects.
Yeah.
And he saw the seat, and one of them had the leather off of it. And he goes, that really looks like an animal skull. And I was like, yeah, it does, so then we decided to weld on the washer to give the eye socket, and then these are 3 different handlebars that we cut up, put together.
I love these.
The backing boards, I make these all the time for other projects, so I just glue a bunch of wood together and make kind of a cool statement piece. We either use them like when we make sofas, we use random wood.
Yeah, look at this. I was asking him about this yesterday too when I popped in.
Yeah.
I mean, to do that, and look at how fabulous it is. Just scrapped wood.
Yeah, just our cast-offs when we make other projects. These are like the leftover scrap pieces.
Yeah.
So,
And these all one of a kind makes them really nifty too.
yeah, everything we do is one of a kind. It's whatever parts we find. So
Yeah.
There might be two that look similar, but no two are the same.
Right. Well, and then you've got the small army back here that like.
Yeah. So we use the oil.
I love these. Look at this.
Various clock gears. These taller ones, we use the croquet balls for the bodies, and oil cans, clock gears, and bottle caps.
I love them so much, and all the different personalities. I said I want one like for my desk, but it's like the coolest paperweight sort of too, right?
Yeah.
Like, gee, but how would I pick one? I have no idea. May take a while. Well, this is so neat.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we'll sign off this way. David, what a delight, and thank you so much for sharing your art. And,
Thank you.
I'll put the links. You can find him on Instagram. We'll definitely be staying in touch and following David, and want you to be tuned into his work here. And he's in Hertan's, second row in off Route 20.
Yep.
So definitely come and find him before the show's out too. All right, we'll sign off for now. Thank you, David, here at Scrapped and Found.
Thank you.
Shanna, shop Glorious Day. Bye for now.
Bye.